The number one thing is that Allah exists. What is the proof? Well, there are many. The biggest of which is this universe that was made so perfectly, where everything is balanced and in sync, and all that is living within the limits and the confines of this universe are proof of His existence. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قُلِ انظُرُوا مَاذَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَا تُغْنِي الْآيَاتُ وَالنُّذُرُ عَنْ قَوْمٍ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. Say, look into all that is in the heavens and the earth, but neither ayat, proofs, evidences, verses, lessons, signs, revelations, nor warners benefit those who do not believe. Allah is one. He is one in His deity. He is one in His lordship. He is one in His names and attributes. He has no partner who shares His dominion. He has no wife or child, and all the creation depends upon Him in its survival and sustenance. He has no partner, rival, or equal. All things are in need of Him, while He stands in need of none of His creation. He is the Samad, meaning the self-sufficient master whom all creatures need without Him needing them. This is what the word Samad means. He begets not, nor was He begotten, and there is none co-equal or comparable unto Him. Allah is all knowing, and His knowledge encompasses everything. Allah said, with Him are the keys of the unseen. He has the keys of all the unseen. No one knows them except for Him. And He knows what's in the land and the sea. Not even a leaf falls without His knowledge. A leaf from a tree would not fall without His knowledge. Nor a grain in the darkness of the earth, or anything green or dry, but would be written in a perfect record. Allah alone has the knowledge of the hour, the hour, the end, and the day of the end. He sends down the rain, and He knows what's in the wombs. No soul knows what it will earn for tomorrow, and no soul knows in what land it will die. Surely Allah is all knowing, all aware. Many ayat in the Quran. One of them, Allah said,
الله الذي خلق سبع سماوات ومن الأرض مثلهن يتنزل الأمر بينهن لتعلموا أن الله على كل شيء قدير وأن الله قد أحاط بكل شيء علما.
Allah is the one who created the seven heavens in layers, and likewise for the earth. The divine command descends between them, so you may know that Allah is most capable of everything, and that Allah certainly encompasses all things in His knowledge. And the proofs are so many. Allah said, and this is the greatest ayah, the greatest verse in all of the Quran. Allah la ilaha illa huwa al-hayy al-qayyum la ta'khudhuhu sinatun wa la nawm lahu ma fi as-samawati wa ma fi al-ard man dha alladhi yashfa'u 'indahu illa bi'idhnihi يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض